If Chrome is showing a status access violation error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get your browser working again. This issue can happen because of a bad extension, a graphics problem, or even a deeper Windows conflict, so we'll go step by step and test each method one by one. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, we'll check for corrupt extensions. Faulty or outdated extensions can cause memory access errors on certain websites, so this is always a good place to begin. Open Chrome, then click the three dots in the top right corner. Hover over Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. Once you're on the Extensions page, turn off all extensions by switching each one to Off. After that, go back to the website that was crashing and reload it. If the error disappears, that tells you one of your extensions was causing the problem. You can then turn the extensions back on one at a time until you find the one responsible. This is one of the easiest ways to isolate the issue without making any major changes. If the error is still there, the next method is to rename the Chrome executable file. This sounds a little technical, but it can help Windows reset how it handles Chrome in memory and sometimes gets around persistent system bugs. To do this, right-click the Chrome shortcut on your desktop and choose Open File Location. If you launched Chrome from a shortcut, look for the file named CHROME.EXE inside that folder. Right-click CHROME.EXE and select Rename. Change the name to something like CHROME.NEW.exe or CHROME1.exe and press Enter. After that, double-click the renamed file to open Chrome and test the page again. If Chrome opens normally, this method may have helped bypass the issue. Now let's try disabling hardware acceleration. In some cases, your GPU can mismanage site scripts or browser rendering, which can trigger a status access violation error. To turn this off, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and open Settings. In the left sidebar, click System. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available and switch it off. Then click the Relaunch button that appears so Chrome can restart with the new setting. Once it opens again, revisit the page that was causing the error and see if the issue is fixed. This is a very common solution, especially if the crash happens during video playback, scrolling, or heavy web pages. If none of those methods worked, there is one more temporary workaround you can try, adding a No-Sandbox flag. Important warning here, this disables a critical security layer, so only use it briefly to test whether a Windows security setting is interfering with Chrome. To do this, right-click your Chrome desktop shortcut and choose Properties. In the target box, click at the very end of the line, add a space, and then type --No-Sandbox. After that, click Apply, then OK, and launch Chrome using that shortcut. If the browser opens and the error no longer appears, then you've confirmed the problem may be related to a security or sandbox conflict. Just remember, this is only meant as a temporary test and not a long-term fix. So to recap, start by disabling extensions, then try renaming Chrome.exe, then turn off hardware acceleration, and finally test the No-Sandbox flag if needed. One of these methods usually helps solve the status access violation error in Chrome. If the video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple fixes and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.